Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Veronica. I'm a wife and mama from Las Vegas, and I share videos in all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. Today I'm sharing with you how I planned and got ready for my stepson's 13th birthday. He is all about video games and he loves Minecraft and Fortnite more than anything. So I decided to theme his birthday entirely around those things, and I'm so excited to show you how everything turned out.
My world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you,
To begin, I wanted to make him some sugar cookies because they are his favorite, and I decided to make a couple different shapes. I did V-Bucks that are a money source in Fortnite and little Xbox game controllers, and I really love how they turned out. Because I did not have a cookie cutter for these, I did go ahead and print one off of my Cricut and just traced it using an edible marker. So I really like how it turned out. I used a flooding technique with royal icing and some multiple colors to give it the buttons. They were a little time consuming, but I did make them a couple days ahead of time to make sure they were ready in time for his little party with his grandparents.
you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Because it was his 13th birthday, we wanted to make it as big of a deal as possible, so I got him his own official teenager shirt and made his little sister a proud sister shirt of the official teenager because I just wanted to make sure he had a smile on his face.
Chasing fame and being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
For one of his gifts, I wanted to create my version of a supply drop. For those of you that don't know anything about Fortnite, apparently it is a box that provides them medic supplies as well as something called slurp juice. So I wanted to replicate that by giving him a bunch of snacks with some Fortnite details. I just printed off some medic bandages off of my computer and I'm taping those directly to some cans of Pringles, and I created labels for the slurp juice and put that on blue Gatorade, and I thought it actually turned out really cute.
Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. yourself. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
To fill the rest of the space, I used some of his favorite treats like M&Ms and Skittles, and I put in a Fortnite Nerf gun and a Boogie Bomb, which I grabbed over at Spirit Halloween for the Fortnite Costumes, and it just turned out exactly the way I was looking for it to.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. I'm yours until the end of time.
Out of all of his gifts, he did seem to like this one and rave about it the most. Of course, not as much as his new Oculus, but when we're talking about the small gifts, he really liked this one, and it was something to remember. So I'm really glad I decided to put this all together.
Say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt.
So for his birthday party, we did only invite his grandparents because we are trying to practice social distancing and maintaining our distance to keep everybody safe. So I am just going to go ahead and set up a few things here on my dining room table. To begin, I am cleaning it off using my favorite method, Wood for Good spray. I just love the smell of this stuff and I cannot rave about it enough. So if you haven't tried it already, make sure you do.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt.
Using my French loop stackers here, I'm going to go ahead and display the sugar cookies that I made for his little party. And I'm putting the V-Bucks on top and the little remotes on the bottom.
Get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better.
Balloons are a go-to for every birthday, and so I did grab a helium tank because I wanted to not have to go out and grab helium balloons the morning of his party. So I grabbed this helium tank over at Hobby Lobby, and it did fill up all the balloons for his party. I did underestimate how much helium was in the tank though, so you might want to grab 2. This is the largest canister that they sell, but overall it worked out for what we needed.
You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Even if you don't know it. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James.
Every year for my loved ones' birthdays, I try to make them a custom cake. Whatever they ask for is what I attempt to make. This year, my stepson asked me to make him a marble cake that was shaped like a creeper. I was planning on doing a creeper head, but I ended up not having enough fondant, so I went with a different method instead.
I'm on the street playing my guitar. so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another.
After his cake was iced with some green frosting, I used some green fondant to cut out the shape of a creeper from Minecraft, and I'm gonna go ahead and place that on the cake now.
Wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
And the final step was adding some details, so I'm using an edible marker to draw on the facial expression as well as the details on the feet, just to make sure it looks even more Minecraft.
I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
And for his birthday dinner, we made him burgers based off of a character in Fortnite, and my husband did such a good job on these, I just had to show you. We used some mozzarella balls and olives for the eyes, and then topped it off with an olive on a toothpick. And he looks just like the character. Overall, my stepson was quite happy with his birthday. However, he is extremely shy and doesn't like being on camera, so this is the best I could do. I want to thank you all so much for watching and being a part of my little YouTube community here. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Bye!
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.